Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your face look smoother and brighter using Snapseed application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your Snapseed application and you can choose a photo you want to edit. You can tap anywhere to open a photo like this, and then for example, I'm just going to use this photo. I'm going to make this girl's face smoother and brighter. If we want to do that, we can go to the tools option in Snapseed and we can use this brush tool to make our face smoother and brighter. You can just draw on the face like this guys. Okay, once you're done, you just need to click on this check mark, and as you can see, now the girl's face looks smoother and brighter. And if you want to save this photo, you can click on export and then just click on save. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our face smoother and brighter using Snapseed application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.